Citizen science gives people of varying scientific backgrounds access to active research. Individuals of all ages and professions can contribute to important scientific developments and be trained by core scientists in fields they would otherwise not be in contact with. But what happens when the scientists can't physically meet and guide the citizen scientists and can only communicate with them from behind the screen? How can you make sure the participants know how to carry out the research without supervision? Well, this is me sitting behind my computer contemplating how to effectively train volunteers to do a beach sampling. And obviously how to do so successfully because we want data that we can use. But wait, what's a beach sampling? Well, it's where our volunteers head to the beach and collect 100 litter items. After doing so, they classify them based on type, buoyancy, and epibuoyant presence. Epibuoyants are organisms that can colonize and grow on the litter. For example, a rope with seaweed growing on it, or a Starbucks cup with barnacles. The citizen scientists will visually inspect the litter and then place them on their makeshift lab. They'll take some pictures, fill in data tables, and send over their results. This is important because some of the litter may have arrived on the beach through ocean currents and be carrying invasive species with it. For a more in-depth visual explanation of the beach sampling, head over to my beach sampling video. As you can see, this isn't just a simple beach cleanup, and we need the volunteers to understand that they'll have many responsibilities and tasks. So how do we assure that volunteers all around the world know what they're doing and trust that they will deliver good data? We develop materials and resources for them to access all the information necessary. During this internship, I developed and created 3 main materials with help from our lovely team here at SERC and in Chile. First are the sampling guides, one with preliminary details needed before the sampling and a field guide. Next is a sampling day video, which is a step-by-step outline of the beach sampling with suggestions and tips. And the third is a virtual training, where we get to train the volunteers face-to-face on Zoom and engage them with some interactive exercises and offer them the opportunity to ask us questions directly. All of these materials were trialed with different volunteers over the summer and have now reached their final form and are ready to be given to the volunteers signing up for this international beach sampling. These trials made it apparent that the volunteers needed to be trained in some capacity. We had to clearly communicate our goals and our expectations of them. We had to inform them why this project is important and give their work purpose, and offer a variety of materials that would accommodate different people's needs.